What if I told you that becoming a millionaire is within your reach? Imagine waking up every day knowing that financial worries are a thing of the past. Picture yourself confidently navigating through life, making decisions that align with your dreams and aspirations. It's not about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune. While those scenarios might seem like the easiest routes, they are far from the most reliable. True wealth is built through consistent effort, smart choices, and a deep understanding of financial principles. It's about developing the right mindset, habits, and strategies. This means educating yourself, setting clear goals, and staying disciplined. It involves reading the right books, seeking advice from mentors, and continuously improving your skills. It's a journey of personal growth and financial literacy. We all dream of financial freedom, that point where money is no longer a constant source of stress, where we can make choices based on what we truly want, not just what we can afford. Financial freedom allows us to focus on what really matters in life, whether it's spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or giving back to the community, where we can pursue our passions, travel the world, and live life on our terms. Imagine the joy of exploring new cultures, tasting exotic cuisines, and creating unforgettable memories. Financial freedom opens up a world of possibilities, allowing us to live a life full of adventure and fulfillment. In this video, we're diving deep into the 10 telltale signs that you're on the path to becoming a millionaire. These signs are not just about having a high income or a fancy job title. They are about the habits, attitudes, and actions that set you apart and put you on the road to financial success. So stay tuned and get ready to discover how close you might be to achieving your millionaire dreams. Chapter 1. Crystal clear vision, you know your why. Look, becoming a millionaire starts with a clear vision of what you want your life to look like. It's not just about the money, it's about the lifestyle, the freedom, and the impact you want to create. Imagine waking up every day knowing exactly what you're working towards. That clarity is what separates those who dream from those who achieve. What are your big goals? Take a moment to think deeply about this. Are they personal, like improving your health or relationships? Or are they professional, like starting a business or climbing the corporate ladder? Maybe it's a mix of both. Whatever they are, they need to be crystal clear in your mind. Is it owning a dream home, retiring early, or traveling the world? Picture that dream home in vivid detail. See the colors, the furniture, the view from your window. Feel the excitement of booking that one-way ticket to a destination you've always wanted to explore. These vivid images will keep you motivated. Or maybe it's about leaving a legacy for your family. Imagine the pride and joy on their faces when they see the fruits of your hard work. Think about the stories they'll tell about you, the lessons they'll learn from your journey. This isn't just about financial wealth, it's about creating a lasting impact. Write these goals down, make them specific, and set a timeline for achieving them. Don't just say, I want to be rich. Instead, say, I want to have a net worth of $1 million by the age of 35. Break it down into smaller, actionable steps. What do you need to do this year, this month, this week, today? Having a clear destination in mind will fuel your motivation and keep you laser-focused on your journey. When you know exactly where you're headed, every decision you make becomes easier. You'll know what to say yes to, and more importantly, what to say no to. This clarity will help you stay on track even when distractions and challenges arise. It's not enough to just want to be rich. You need a powerful why driving you. Why do you want to achieve these goals? Is it for your family, for personal fulfillment, or to make a difference in the world? This why will be your anchor, your source of strength and resilience. That why will be your anchor when times get tough, because trust me, they will. There will be moments of doubt, setbacks, and obstacles that seem insurmountable. But if your why is strong enough, it will pull you through. It will remind you of the bigger picture and keep you moving forward, no matter what. So, take the time to define your why, write it down, revisit it often, and let it guide you on your journey to success. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the person you become along the way. Embrace the journey, stay focused, and keep your why at the forefront of everything you do. Chapter 2. Master of your money spending like a millionaire-in-the-making. Let's be real, becoming a millionaire isn't about restricting yourself from enjoying life. It's about being smart and intentional with your money. Track your expenses meticulously. Where's your money actually going each month? You'd be surprised how much those little expenses add up. Once you have a clear picture, create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices that support your long-term vision. Chapter 3. Investing in yourself, your best investment. The wealthiest people I know are committed to lifelong learning. They're constantly investing in themselves, whether it's through books, courses, or attending industry events. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it's also profit. Invest in developing new skills, expanding your knowledge base, and staying ahead of the curve in your field. The more valuable you become, the more you can command in terms of income and opportunities. Chapter 4. Calculated risks. Stepping outside your comfort zone. Look, building wealth requires taking calculated risks. I'm not talking about gambling your savings away, but about making strategic moves that have the potential for high returns. This could be investing in real estate, starting a side hustle, or even negotiating a raise. Do your research, weigh the potential rewards against the risks, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Remember, the biggest risk is often not taking any risks at all. Chapter 5. Multiple income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Millionaires understand the importance of diversification, and that applies to their income streams as well. Explore different avenues for generating income, whether it's through real estate investments, dividend-paying stocks, or creating and selling your own products or services. Having multiple streams of income creates financial security and accelerates your path to wealth. Chapter 6. Persistence and resilience. Bouncing back from setbacks. The road to becoming a millionaire is rarely linear. There will be setbacks, challenges, and moments when you want to give up. But here's the thing. Successful people, those who achieve their financial dreams, are incredibly persistent. They don't let setbacks define them. Instead, they view them as opportunities for learning and growth. Cultivate resilience, embrace the ups and downs, and never lose sight of your goals. Chapter 7. Networking power. Surround yourself with success. You've heard it before, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with ambitious, like-minded individuals who inspire you to grow and achieve your goals. Attend industry events, join mastermind groups, and network with people who are already where you want to be. Their knowledge, experience, and connections can be invaluable on your journey to wealth. Chapter 8. Financial literacy. Speaking the language of wealth. Financial literacy is crucial for building wealth. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow financial experts. The more you understand about managing your money, making smart investments, and growing your wealth, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that lead to financial freedom. Chapter 9. The power of positivity, a millionaire mindset. Your mindset is everything. Cultivate a positive and growth-oriented mindset. Believe in your ability to achieve your financial goals and visualize yourself living the life of your dreams. A positive mindset attracts opportunities, helps you overcome challenges, and fuels your determination to succeed. Remember, your thoughts become your reality. Chapter 10. Giving back, the millionaire's secret weapon. True wealth extends beyond just money. Millionaires understand the importance of giving back to their communities and making a positive impact on the world. Find a cause you're passionate about and contribute your time, resources, or skills. Giving back not only creates a sense of fulfillment, but also opens doors to new connections and opportunities. Outro, your millionaire journey starts now. So, there you have it. 10 signs that you're on the path to becoming a millionaire. Each of these signs is a stepping stone, a marker on your journey towards financial freedom. It's important to recognize and celebrate these milestones, no matter how small they may seem. They are the building blocks of your future success. Remember, it's not about luck or overnight success. The journey to becoming a millionaire is often long and winding, filled with challenges and obstacles. But it's these very challenges that shape you, that build your character and resilience. It's about the lessons you learn along the way and how you apply them to your life. It's about adopting the right mindset, developing smart habits, and staying focused on your goals. Mindset is everything. It's the foundation upon which all your actions are built. A positive, growth-oriented mindset will propel you forward, even when the going gets tough, and taking consistent action towards your goals. With hard work, dedication, and a clear vision of what you want to achieve, you can overcome any obstacle. Consistency is key. It's the small, daily actions that add up over time and lead to big results. And a relentless pursuit of your dreams, financial freedom is within your reach. It's about never giving up, no matter how many times you fall. Each setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Keep pushing forward and you'll eventually reach your destination. Financial freedom is within your reach. Imagine the life you want to live, the freedom to do what you love, to spend time with your loved ones, to travel the world, and to give back to your community. This is the life that awaits you if you stay committed to your journey. Now, I want to hear from you. Your journey is unique and your experiences can inspire others. What steps have you taken towards financial freedom? What challenges have you faced and how have you overcome them? Sharing your story can provide valuable insights and motivation to others who are on the same path. What resonated with you the most? Was it the importance of mindset, the power of consistency, or the value of hard work and dedication? Reflect on what you've learned and how you can apply it to your own life. Your reflections can help you stay focused and motivated on your journey. Share your thoughts and your own millionaire journey in the comments below. Your insights and experiences are valuable, and they can help create a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Together we can learn, grow, and achieve our financial goals. And if you're ready to dive deeper into building a secure financial future, be sure to check out my next video on topic of next video. In it, we'll explore advanced strategies and tips to help you accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Don't miss out on this valuable information. Be sure to check out my next video on topic of next video. It's packed with actionable advice and insights that can help you take your financial journey to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or you're already on your way, there's something in it for everyone. Don't wait, your future self will thank you. The actions you take today will shape your tomorrow. So, take that first step, stay committed, and keep moving forward. Your future self will look back and be grateful for the choices you made and the effort you put in. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts now.